Okay, hello everyone. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you how to design a product management form. This form is used for managing the product information that we're going to sell in our store. The main functions include adding new products, editing existing information, deleting products, and searching for products in the database. First, open Visual Studio. We're going to create a new project before we start designing this form. Once Visual Studio is open, click on Create a New Project. This is how you start a new project. Select the programming language you want to use from the drop-down menu here. Click on it and choose C#. For the platform, select Windows. For the project type, choose Desktop Application. You'll see a list of related options displayed here. We're going to develop using the Windows Forms app format. You'll notice that there's a Windows Forms app option here, but we're not going to select this one because it's for .NET Core, or .NET 5 and above. Since we're developing with the .NET framework, scroll down instead. Here it is, Windows Forms app with .NET framework, in parentheses. You'll notice that these two project types look similar, but the difference is that the first one doesn't have anything in parentheses. There's no .NET framework in parentheses. Both are desktop applications, but make sure to select the one that says .NET framework. Once you've selected it, go ahead and click Next. Now, give your project a name right here. I'm going to name it CS Post. Okay, something short and simple. Next, choose where you want to save your project. Click the three dots. I'm going to save it in my D drive. I've already created the folder for it right here. You can choose to save it wherever you want. Here, I'm going to save it in the Sodo project folder. So, once you've got your folder, just select it and click Select Folder. It will then show up here. Come up here. For the .NET Framework section, select the latest version. The most recent .NET Framework is 4.8. This depends on whether you've installed it or not. When you install Visual Studio, there will be an option to select it as well. If it's not available, you can download and add it. Once you've set everything, click Create. Please wait a moment.